Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and today I would like to show you the tutorial how to make a video look smaller on CapCut application. So here I already have the videos that I have in my project. You just need to check it. Okay, and this is how these videos look like and how it's gonna run. And to make it like look smaller, so you just need to adjust the ratio that you want to have according to the purposes of this video. So you can change the ratio by going to the ratio, and here you can adjusting what actually you use this videos for. If you want to use it for the feed for Instagram, you just need to find out the best ratio. You can do it 1 and 1 or 3 and 4. And if you want to do in 3 and 4, you just need to click it. And after that, the video is automatically become like smaller because the ratio of the video doesn't fit with the ratio of the canvas that you have here. So here you already have the smaller video appear on your canvas. So you can also change the canvas color by just go into the bottom features here and slide into the left side and go into the canvas and just click it and go click a color, and you can choose what color that you want to have for your video. And whenever you're done, you just need to go click done. And now let's have a check for the result. So this video will be look like smaller. So whenever you upload it into your Instagram, there will be have this white frame with these videos. So that's the way how to make the videos look smaller in a CapCut application. If you find that this tutorials today is useful for you, don't forget to subscribe into this channel.